The silent money leak. What if I told you, most people don't lose money because they're bad at math, they lose because they're running their life without a financial operating system. Today I am giving you a completely rebuilt 90-day financial reset, designed like a mission plan. Clear steps, weekly targets, and a system that keeps working long after this video ends. What makes this plan different? This is not about extreme frugality or overnight millionaire promises. Instead, you'll build 3 pillars: awareness, automation, and growth. Each week has one main focus so you never feel overwhelmed or lost in financial noise. Week 1. Build your financial radar. Start by mapping your financial reality. Download the last 90 days of transactions from all accounts and place them into one simple tracker. Think of yourself as a pilot checking instruments before takeoff. No guessing, only real numbers. Categorize like a game designer. Divide expenses into 3 zones: survival, housing, utilities, food, lifestyle, fun spending, and obligations, debts. Instead of judging yourself, treat this like analyzing a game scoreboard. You're just gathering stats. Week 2. The strategic trim. Sort expenses from largest to smallest and ask one question. Can this be reduced by 10-25% over the next 3 months? Focus on big wins first, renegotiating services, reducing unused memberships, and redesigning routines that trigger impulse spending. Instead of collecting expensive gadgets like I used to, I switched to urban sketching, just a notebook and pen. That shift reminded me how easily lifestyle creep sneaks into budgets through hobbies and habits we never question. Week 3. Build automatic money highways. Open separate accounts for short-term savings and long-term investing. Then automate transfers on payday so money moves before you can spend it. This removes decision fatigue and turns discipline into a background process. Week 4. Destroy high-interest debt strategically. List all debts and focus on the highest interest first. Increase payments slightly and call lenders to negotiate rates. Even temporary reductions can save months of payments and hundreds in interest. Week 5. Create your first financial shield. Build an emergency buffer of at least $1,000. Sell unused items, redirect saved money from expense cuts, or add a short-term side hustle. The goal is psychological safety, knowing small emergencies won't destroy your progress. Week 6. Enter the investment phase. Start investing using simple diversified index funds or ETFs. Instead of chasing trends, focus on consistent monthly contributions. Think of investing as planting a forest, slow at first, powerful over decades. Week 7. Upgrade your income engine. Choose one income growth action. Negotiate a raise, learn a high-value skill like editing or sales, or launch a small digital side project. Expense cuts are limited, but income growth has no ceiling. Week 8. Design a specific savings mission. Define a measurable goal. Travel fund, business launch, home down payment, or education. Break the total into monthly contributions and automate progress tracking so you see momentum building. Week 9. Smart credit card strategy. If you're disciplined, use credit cards for rewards but pay balances in full every month. If not, test with a small limit for a few months. Credit is a powerful tool, or an expensive trap, depending on your behavior. Week 10. Track your financial scoreboard. Calculate your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. Track it monthly or quarterly like a personal high score. Watching progress visually builds motivation and helps you see long-term trends clearly. Week 11. The reality check audit. Review spending from the past 2 months and compare it to week 1. Identify hidden leaks and behavioral patterns that returned. Adjust your system before small mistakes grow into big problems. Week 12. Future vision and scaling up. Set bold goals for 1, 5, and 10 years. Financial independence, business ownership, global travel, or early retirement. Break each into actionable steps and schedule quarterly personal finance reviews to stay on track. Your next move starts now. If you follow this 90-day system, you won't just manage money, you'll control your financial trajectory. Comment the word reset if you're committing to the challenge, subscribe for deeper financial strategies, and watch the next video.